Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. In this video, we will learn, can we understand the fundamentals of a company, or do we come to know whether the company is fundamentally strong through the charts or not? So I believe it is something that certainly the charts can tell you about, and technical analysis can help you about in this. Let's try and see how. Okay, in this chart, for instance, that is there in front of us, this is a quarterly chart of Nifty where every candle is basically denoting one quarter. So if you see Nifty, this is Nifty. I've just put it here for an example. Every candle is one quarter. Here, if you see, it has been largely uptrending. The overall movement or the trend of Nifty has been largely up like this. Now we will see some examples and I will show you whether you can understand if it's a fundamentally strong company or not. So let's look at Asian Paints. If you see again, this is the quarterly chart, nice uptrending move. It looks absolutely like a dream-like scenario, fabulous. Let's look at Hindalco now. If you see Hindalco, it has not been a very good movement. It has been a very obstacles and it has faced a lot of obstacles and has been a very range bound movement, volatile movement. It has been very, very range bound. It hasn't shown the clear uptrend like other stocks have. Now let's go for HDFC Bank. Now, if you see HDFC Bank, again, the quarterly chart largely has been an uptrending move, has been a beautiful move. If you see, let's look at Coal India now. Now, going to Coal India, quarterly chart, in fact, has been trending downwards, and it obviously not a very encouraging movement. Now, let's look at, say, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also has an uptrending moves. Let's look at TCS. All these stocks are good quality blue chip companies, large cap companies. All these stocks are Nifty 50 components. So you know that these are good. These are at least well known companies. So if you see, TCS also has been largely an uptrending move. Now let's look at NTPC. NTPC has also been a range, has been moving in a range since so many quarters. So like this is 2004. So since 2004, it has been just a range bound movement and it has not shown good growth. So what does this tell you? Now these are all stocks which are there in large caps, Nifty 50 companies. If you understand when does a stock price move up? It happens because of two things. First is demand is more than supply, and the second thing is earnings are supporting. So what do I mean by this? When you see a company like HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, TCS, or Asian Paints, all these stocks have consistently delivered good returns in terms of their revenues and profits, and people have been more than happy to buy more of it. So the demand has been good, more stocks of it. This means that people are willing to pay a higher multiple in terms of valuations, or at least maintaining that multiple, and they like the company for the fact that it will continue to do well in future. So earnings are supporting and valuations are also supporting. That is why the price has been trending upwards quarterly. So this tells you that if it's an old company, you can check the fundamentals via the quarterly chart to understand that a stock is good fundamentally because its quarterly chart has been trending upwards. Now, the first thing that you have to look at is look at the quarterly chart. Now, we can do one more analysis and understand. So, go to charts. Okay, this is one of the softwares that I use, and we will try do comparative chart with Nifty. So now I'm picking the first script as Nifty. The second script that I'm picking is NTPC, or let's do Coal India for instance. Now I want to do it from the 1st of January 2010, which is say a 10 or 11-year data. And then I'm comparing it till one. Now I'm ensuring that the first points are same so that it gives me an interesting perspective. Now, if you see, then this has been your movement from of Nifty versus NTPC. If you see, sorry, Coal India. If you see, this has been the movement from the last 10 or 11 years of Nifty versus Coal India, where Nifty has been largely trending upwards, but Coal India has been going down. So you have to buy a stock or you have to buy a company which is moving at least in line with Nifty, if not beating Nifty. your bare minimum has to be that that company should at least be moving in line with Nifty, which is the benchmark index. So this is how you can learn about stocks, whether they are fundamentally strong, by doing two analysis. Very simple analysis. Look at the quarterly trend of the company, quarterly chart of the company. Second is draw a comparative chart with Nifty 50 and understand whether this company has been doing well or not, whether it has been trending upwards or not. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you found this useful as well as